cruel force of nature from the blue. Instead of a night full of romance to breathe, all I got was a runny nose and Asiatic flu. It's raining on prom night. My hair is a mess. It's running all over my taffeta dress. It's quilting, quilting in my maiden form, and mascara flows right down my nose because of the storm. I don't even have my corsage. Oh, gee, it fell down the sewer with my sisters. I did. Yes, it's raining on prom night. Oh, my darling, what can I do? I miss you. It's raining rain from the sky, and it's raining real tears from my eyes over you. Oh, dear God, make him feel the same way I do right now. Make him want to see me again.